Kia ora. Welcome to the unboxing of the Aoshima Copen Active Top, or convertible. As a really nice box art. It's actually quite nice. And this box comes with the window mask seals, which is going to make things a lot easier. So let's have a look at the box. Over here is probably how I'm going to build my kit. We can see here, I'm guessing that's the price. Generally, a lot of the, at least I know with the Gundam kits, they tend to put the price in the box. So it'd be 2,600 yen. We have the colours. So we've got black, gloss black, yellow, silver, matte black. Not sure, that's probably an ivory colour. So green, I've used it before, it's IG and gloss green, clear red and clear orange. And yep, as you can see there, generally, typically they tend to put their price in the barcode or IC number on the side. So let's have a quick look at the box and see what we get. Reasonably full kit box for a rather small kit. I don't know how well we can see this. Really nice clear stuff. Does come with the hard top. Oh, that's in clear plastic, will require a lot of masking and painting. We've got the bumpers, and there's a grill on here, nice set of decals. There's our masking set. Two sets of alloy wheels, that's quite nice. Base plate, some suspension parts. Chrome back plate, some red lenses. Looks like there is an option to build this in left and right hand drive, which is nice. And the massively diminutive car. Obviously there's a big box, I'll show the box here actually. One very large box for one very small car. So obviously they're going to try and pack a lot of stuff into this one, which should be quite nice. And then we've got a box. We have the manual, which actually is of a fold out kind, which is typical for this thing. So let's take a look at the parts list. Where are we going? Here we go, parts list. Obviously you can see that the greyed out sections are parts that won't be used, or in my case they'll be optional parts because I might prefer to use some of those. Obviously it's designed for left hand drive, not right hand drive, or the other way around. Not using the soft top, but it's there, you can use it. So let's see what options we've got. Alright, step number, there we get the use of this whole thing. Number one, obviously the suspension, and we can see that in step 2 there's an option to change the height of the car. We can have either a higher stance or the regular normal height. And there's the back wheel suspension going in, options for the exhaust and the back. And again you can see there's also a parts you can add in for the normal height, or if you don't put them in there, part 7, which you can put them out here. Then you can have the low riding car, bracing out of the car, and here we have the assembly of the body, and there's the hard top which they're using there. So obviously this is probably quite common for a lot of these cars, a lot of these kits. It's a generic kit, so the box is for one style, but all the parts are in there to build different parts. And it's obviously here. We've got the lights, the seats, and the interior. More interior, putting the interior of the chassis and fitting the body of the car. And so obviously if you need to replace any missing or broken pieces. So let's have a closer look at what's in these bags. So let's start with the body. A really nicely detailed, some nice crisp lines Obviously there's a nice support brace over there just to protect this so it doesn't break off. As far as mould lines go, they're really quite cleverly disguised. The first one runs along top of here, down there, so it's going to be easy to get rid of. And obviously there's the same on the side down there. And on the back, it looks like it runs just along this panel line with a little bit down there. That's going to be a little awkward to get rid of. I don't know how well we can see that. And it's going to be quite tricky to get rid of. But doesn't look too bad. It looks like it was a step rather than a grate. So we should be able to get rid of that. I don't know, that looks really, really nice. Tiny, so very tiny. And then of course we have the front and rear bumper. Wing mirrors. Looks like a tail plate for the back. Spoiler. And these are obviously the bits that go in front of the windscreen, depending on whether you got left or right hand drive. As to which side the windscreen wipers are going to go. So again, another option. That's cool. Obviously in New Zealand I'll be going for a right hand drive car because, well, that's what we drive. Chrome sprue. Here we go. Other way around. So we've got the roll bars behind it. We've got the front headlight insert covers, and obviously they'll sit inside the body. Nice chrome mirrors, really, really good chrome. A nice little aftermarket little chrome back exhaust covers, which is quite cool. Exhaust tips here, and nope, those are the headlights. Sorry, those are the tail lights. Either way, really nice looking chrome. Not a lot of flash on this, which is going to make cleaning up a lot easier. Really, really nice. Next, and this is the main base plate. Some moulded in detail. Obviously it's a curbside kit, so you've got basic engine detail moulded in there, fuel tank, two other bits and pieces, and of course do your bracing, other bits and pieces. What are they? They obviously like pins for polycaps or for wheels or something. I'm not sure what they are. Those would be the bits we alter the different heights for the suspension when it goes in place. So that's quite cool. Next piece is struts, exhaust, disc brakes. Really quite rudimentary disc brakes, I think. Yeah, just a little, a bit more exhaust. So there's two options here of the. That's obviously the front grille that's shown on the box art. That's an alternative one. So that's cool. You get a couple of options. I wasn't sure about that one, but I don't know. We'll see. A rather large sprue here under the seat, so let's go a bit closer. So obviously you've got left hand drive, right hand drive, can't tell from the side of the camera, and then you've got the option for the right hand drive. Basic tub, see there, quite nice interior, plenty of detail, should be easy to mask up and paint, and two options of seats. The generic ones, but hard to see it's black. But then you've got these ones here which are Recaro, nice little engraved there, so you could probably do a pin wash and get those coming out really, really nice. And two options of steering wheels as well. Onto the glass. Okay, I've already got fingerprints on there. I don't know if you can see in the camera or not, but it's really nice glass, but these little pinholes, not pinholes, little bubbles in the glass, which is a bit unfortunate because no matter, well, you can't polish it out, basically. It's in there for good. But that's right, but I'll be putting this back in the plastic bag and keeping them in the utmost just to keep it safe so it doesn't get damaged. We have a third option for a front grille. But hard to see with the chrome. I think with the washness, this could really look quite nice. First set of alloy wheels. They're stock, standard ones, obviously are used on the box art. They're normal. And then we've got the BBS style rims, which are really, really nice. Nice aluminium look to them, not a high chrome, which looks quite toy-like. I think if I can mask off the outside rim and spray paint the blacks, it'll look quite cool. Oops, that's the light going out. Battery's run out, but we'll keep going. And Unfortunately the lights ran out, battery ran out on the laptop, which powers the light, but we'll just keep going. And here we have some clear red lenses, really quite nice. These are also on the clear kit as well, so if you want to go for the Altezza style lights, which is probably what I'm going to do, and they're quite nice as well. Rubber tyres, small, very skinny, and a bit hard to see. Let's take this out of the bag. Let's get one out of the bag. Can I get out of the bag? Out of the bag. Stretchy bags. Mum said don't use your teeth. Cut. Right, don't know what they made those bags out of, but here is the tyre. As you can see, nice detail on the tread. Some sidewall detail, a little bit lost. It says Bridgestone. A bit hard to see, mind you, at scale. I don't know if you can see this. It's here, around the centre of the trim. There is a bit of flash. It's always difficult trying to remove this because the rubber doesn't sand. It sort of like chunks out a bit. So to find a way or technique of getting rid of that. That's the rubber tyres. And here are the windscreen masks, which are really quite cool. Makes things so much easier. And the decal sheet. So obviously we've got floor mats, license plate, instrument surrounds. Oh, we do have decals to go on the Recaro seats, which is quite cool. BBS things to go, stickers, decals to go on the wheel rims, and the badge, license plate. So all in all, I think it's going to be a really, really good kit. Let's see how we go. Next up, planning stage.